JXY oil absorbent boom features built-in loops and heavy-duty carabiners on both ends. No more knots, just click and connect. Clip the carabiner into the loop. A click confirms a secure connection. Tension test shows the connection holds firmly, no risk of separation due to water currents. Same method for the third, fourth. Assemble a long barrier in seconds, adaptable to any containment area. In the event of a sudden spill, you can quickly form a barrier to contain and control the spread. Made with high-adsorption material, it quickly contains and locks in oil spills while repelling water, suitable for various spill scenarios on land or water. Quick deployment, secure connection, built to last. This boom with loops and carabiners on both ends is the ideal choice for spill response. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.